Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my February month's Fab bag with you all. So I recently got subscribed to Fab bag and I received the second bag of the year, and which is right here with me that you see here. So I'm going to be sharing my views on this month's Fab bag. If you would want to know more, then please keep on watching. And also if you would like to stay around this channel, then make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of the future videos. And now, without any further ado, let's just get started with this month's unboxing of the Fab bag. So firstly, this is the bag that came in. So talking about the bag looks a little bigger than the usual bag that you get, and it comes with a zipper like as usually Fab bag written on top of it. I really like the color of the bag. It has a very mild texture going on, and also it has, like, you know, very sheer sheen going on, which looks so classy. And I think all the products has something to do with chocolate brown or something of that sort, because I could see everything in the flavored chocolate and stuff. So that's about the bag. And once you open the bag up, you get to have two cards. One is the Fab bag contest card that you usually get in the bag. You can, you know, just take a picture of the February Fab bag and post it on your social media, and you have to put in, add in the hashtag in my Fab bag. So that's how you get participated in the contest. And then you have the product list, that is the info card. So the card looks like, you know, all February themed, the Valentine's Day themed sort of. So here you have all the product list. So getting into the product itself, so the first product that you see is this one, which is a eyeshadow palette, like a 32 shade eyeshadow palette from SFR Color, which retails for 299 rupees. It also comes with a brush applicator. So this is how the brush applicator looks, dual-ended brush. And the one thing that I like about the eyeshadow is, like, it has all the shades. Like, it has blacks, it has, you know, yellow, pinks, nudes, blues, purples, and all the browns in here. You can definitely work with the colors, and it has matte and also shimmery shades in there. I don't think so the eyeshadows or the shades smell. Is it the fragrance from the shades itself, or it is from the plastic, like, no, this plastic? Because the plastic looks very cheap as in looks very okay. For 299 you cannot expect more, I understand that, but it looks like, you know, the plastic smell is everywhere. Yeah, I could smell the plastic smell. So that's about that. So that's the first product. So if you are a beginner, I think this will be your nice palette to try on. And then the next full-size product that we have in the bag is this one, which is from the Bespoke Bubbles Coffee and Chocolate Body Wash, and you get 100 ml of the product, which is priced at 249 rupees. So this is how the bottle looks, a very handmade sort of a bottle. The fragrance, I could smell more of an oil. I think it's gotta be coconut oil. Yeah, coconut oil, but I don't smell much of coffee and chocolate. I either smell coffee a little bit or chocolate a little bit, not both of them together. The smell of coffee or the chocolate is not dominating, but the coconut oil is. If I'm not wrong, if it is not coconut oil, it is some other oil only, but not coffee or chocolate. So that's the second product in the bag. And the third or the next full-size product of this month's Fab bag is nail paint. So this nail paint is from Major Crush Gel Shine. So I've got the shade Chocolate Armor. So as I told you, this month's bag has something to do with the chocolate brown or chocolate thing, I don't know if I'm not wrong. So it also has this. I did not get to select my shade. It came in like, directly. So that's the next shade or the next product. The last product in this month's bag is from Cosmeto Food Organic Cosmetic. So you get to have the chocolate mousse skin soother for all skin type. So this is also a chocolate flavored product in the bag. So one interesting thing about this product is that it says it is tasteable. So the name of the brand itself is Cosmeto Food. I haven't heard about this product. Let me know if you know about this product. So this is nice. Like, this is interesting. Cosmeto Food. Nice. And also it is vegan, and it says one application of this skin soother is gonna moisturize your skin for 48 hours. And you get 20 ml of the product, and this itself, like, this 20 ml pack itself retails for 249 rupees. And these bikers, why do you even drive in this time? I hate you all. So this itself is for 249 rupees, and I haven't opened the seal yet, but I can smell the chocolate really well. It's everywhere, and I like it. I am a chocolate person. I don't eat chocolate, but I really love chocolate cake, chocolate flavor, chocolate everything, okay, but not the chocolate itself. Weird. Okay, then that's the end of this month's fab bag unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video, and also what? I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.